Mike, we're here at the AFRC, and today you're partnering a number of people, including Matsuura. What's the component we're making here?
It's a prosthetic knee joint. This is an actual part. We've made this in stainless steel. The part is generally a titanium stabilised stainless steel, so it's a very difficult material to work with.
And what tools are being used on this knee?
So we're using our 5-flute Mirage. There's a 6mm, a 12mm and a 16mm. So roughing out, this is a finished product at the moment. That's in the machine at the moment is a rough version ready to be finished. And we're also using our barrel tool, which is skimming over the top basically to produce the finish, which is a superb finish that the customer is very, very happy with.
And I know you're using drag milling. For the people at home, what's drag milling?
It's a term that we come up with because rather than pushing the end mill down the surface to get the finish, we've dragged the end mill up in the 5-axis movement, so it gives a very, very good finish.
And what software has been used?
We use OpenMind software. It's something that our Quickcam John Butler uses, so we work very, very closely with OpenMind on the hypermill. We've actually had this programmed with our partner in Northern Ireland, Ryan McClure. So as medical industry is very important for us at the moment. It's a big development for us.
Yeah, and barrel mills, lots of people are talking about them, but there are real life applications. You are selling barrel mills.
Yes, we're selling them. We do a lot of export barrel tools as well at the moment. People sending them back for regrind, which is what we call it remanufacture, of course. So we take the tool back to a new tool, send it back. So that's very good. It's an application-specific tool. People have got to start looking at it. You need a decent software, so OpenMind is ideal for us. 5-axis. There is 3+2 at the moment, which is being developed. We are doing some semi-finishing with it as well and getting some very interesting results. So we've got a Mazak 5-axis then in our tech centre, and that's opened up possibilities for us to develop strategies, also develop tooling around that, and other tooling, so different tricorder milling, peeling cuts, and also lollipops as well.
And I know you're members here at the AFRC. What other tools have you got on show?
So we're running our lollipops and our Cayman through hypermill software again on the DMG, so that's working very well there. We're also on the hybrid, where it's additive machining, where they needed to take the level down and finish. So we used our Spectre high feed on there. And the interesting part of there's basically 3 different hardnesses. So when you get to the center of the hardness, it's up to 65 rock gold or something like that. So it was difficult to understand which kind of tool we used, but the high feed worked absolutely fantastic.
So is this working well for you, the AFRC, proud partners?
It's a great place for us. We're really pleased to be involved with these and the LMLC, so the composite side as well. Yeah, it's great to support these training centres and these development areas in Scotland as well. It's a very interesting place for us for showcasing what we do, but also working on a partnership. So, for example, here with Matsuura, with Nikon, with OpenMind, it's something we're going to be working on year on year. No worries.